Hey friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. All right, friends, so a lot of you let me know that you could not find those chargers that was at Michael's for about 45-50 cents a few weeks ago. No problem, we got you covered, honey. These chargers that we're going to be doing today, we are going to glam it up, and you can find it at the Dollar Tree, or you can just go to dollartree.com. That's where we got ours from. So we are finna start this tutorial off just customizing our own beautiful chargers that you can find from the Dollar Tree. Make sure that you do check the description box below to see all the material that we're going to be using in today's tutorial. So let's get started, friends. So the first thing that we're going to do, friends, we are going to take our flower mesh wrap and we're going to cut at least 46 of these flower mesh, okay? We're going to cut 46 of them. Once we cut 46, now if you're using a Dollar Tree charger that we're using, it takes at least 46 of them. The thread that holds it together right here, that thread right there, you're going to burn that. I'm going to have it right there for you all. You're just going to burn that thread because you want it to be as neat as possible. Now, when it comes down to your small brooches, you can use whatever type of brooches you would like to use. Now, at any craft store, you can find these little bitty pearls. Now, make sure that you do check the description box down below. And these are the silver ones. So, let's go ahead and finish out this beautiful charger. It's very quick, simple, and easy. All right, you guys, I thank you so much for tuning in with me. Blessings abundantly, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.